Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Today we'll continue with our chapter. So open your content book, block 1, The Blue Kite. Today we are going to see lesson plan 3, parts of a sentence. Here we'll study to explain the function of parts of speech. There is a simple activity which you can play. Now, for this activity, when we'll come online class, that time explain you, and that time we'll play this activity also. Okay, so moving forward, we'll see the next one. What does each part of speech tell us? Now today you are going to solve worksheet 1.3 and also practice questions. In this we are going to identify parts of speech, explain the function of parts of speech, make sentences with all parts of speech. We already know what naming words and doing words are. This we have learned last year, and we had a small revision also in our last session. Today we will learn about more kind of words and what they do in sentence. Okay, keywords we are going to use are parts of speech, means different kind of words in a sentence. Here's a simple example for you. Do you know how Sam spent last weekend? For this, now look at the sentence on the screen and read the sentence. 1. Sam went to a pretty little farm. 2. The day was clear and sunny. 3. He saw many animals. 4. He walked around peacefully. 5. He fed the hens and ducks. 6. He saw many sheep and goats. 7. The owner gave him fresh bread and cheese. And 8. Sam ate it happily. Now just think and try to understand. Is there any naming word, a doing word, and a describing word in this sentence? Just read again and think about this. Sam and farm are naming words. Is it? Yes, Sam and farm are naming words. This we have learned last year also. Okay, so this will be simple for you. So Sam and farm are naming words. Now look at each sentence on the screen and write the naming words, doing words, describing words, pronouns, and adverbs on a paper. So making all these different words is easy for you, as we had revision also, and you have reference of last year, and last year we have studied. So this will be easy for you. So now tell me, how did you sort the words? All the sentences, as you see, have doing words and naming words or pronouns. There are also describing words and adverbs in a few sentences. Let's see what it is. Naming words: Sam, farm, day, animals, hens, ducks, sheep, goats, pond, owner, bread, cheese. Pronoun: he, him, it. Doing words: went, was, saw, walked, gave, ate, and now what are describing words here? Pretty, little, clear, sunny, fresh, and many. An adverb: happily, peacefully. Take out your grammar guidebook. Lesson number 1. Part of speech. Kinds of word in a sentence. Look at the picture and read the sentence in the table. You can see the picture. What it is about, you can make it out. The picture is about a jungle. There is a lion also over there. So many trees, lion. So now let's read the table. Articles. Which are the articles here? A, an, the. Adjectives, that is describing words. Fierce, big, arrange, scared. Nouns, naming words: lion, snake, bird, monkey. Verbs, doing words: roar, slithers, sings, chatters. Adverb, that is tell us how: loudly, slowly, beautifully, and noisily. Here are some examples. Let's go through. Article: a, an, or, the are used with a noun. Adjectives: describe a noun. Noun: a person, place, thing, or animal. Verb: a doing word. And at last, adverb describes a verb. Now, in one sentences, all these parts are included. See here in various colors they have given. The clever cat walks carefully. Now here the is article. Clever, adjective. Cat, noun. Walks, verb. And carefully is adverb. So see various parts of sentences. Various part of a sentences. All these words make one sentence. Article, adjective, noun, verb, and adverb are called parts of speech. Now here you have grammar practice which you are supposed to do in class. This activity you can solve with a pencil during our online class. This also we are going to discuss. Okay, so this was about your grammar book. Now moving on towards the next. As you saw on the screen some words, we saw the naming words, and now we'll see the next is some questions. How did you sort the words? All the sentences as you see have doing words and naming words or pronouns. This also we had a table. Now tell me, what does each of these words tell us? The naming words like Sam and pronoun like he tells us who or what is doing the action. They also tell us to whom or what the action is happening. For example, him, animal, hen, and does. Doing words like went, saw, gave, and moved tell us what the action is. Describing words like many, pretty, little, clear, sunny, and fresh tell us about the naming word and pronoun. The adverb peacefully and happily tell us how the action are done. Here again, you can see on the screen various words I am going to place. Those are also in various colors. So you can easily make out the word which part of the sentence is it. Sam went to a pretty little farm. The day was clear and sunny, and so on. All the sentences I have given, like red, noun and pronoun, blue, doing word, green, describing words, brown, adverbs. For a practice purpose, you copy down these words in your book with the same color. So it will be easy for you for your reference or to study. Now, next, what new sentences can you make by picking one word from each group? Like we arranged in the beginning, we listed some words on your piece of paper. So, what words can you make from them? Think for that and try to make some new words. We can make many different sentences. We should include different types of words or parts of speech. Now, for this purpose, you can take the help of the previous, which I told you you can write down with the same color. And I have given the color also. Noun, pronoun, adverb, whatever was described there, you copy it down. So for making new sentences, you can have this reference. We should also pay attention to the correct order of words in each sentence. This is very, very important. You must remember to use a, an, or the before naming word when we use them in sentence. For example, Sam saw many hens and ducks. He fed the sheep and goats. The animal ate it happily. So like this, you also make more words. During online class, I am going to listen more words, more sentences from you. I want each one of you to make five sentence. I'll listen it during the online class, and if it's wrong, I'll correct it. Okay. For more practice, take your workbook, solve worksheet 1.3, your application workbook, and worksheet 1.3. Now here's your homework. Practice questions from your content book. Practice questions 1 to 3. These also you try to solve. All those questions which you are able to solve, do it. Rest we'll try to sort in our online class. Okay, students. So did you understood? So this is very easy, but you try on your own. So you'll be confident. And if it gets wrong, don't worry. During our online class, we'll solve it. Okay. So try. Till then, goodbye. Stay happy. Stay safe and stay home. Have a nice day. Bye bye.